Hey, I've been doing a little bit of shopping over the last month, and I am super excited about some of the things that I picked up, in particular, this little baby. So, we're gonna do a little handbag reveal as well as I'll show you another handbag that I purchased. I picked up some summer clothing items, some beauty products. So, let's just jump right into it with this baby. So if you're familiar with Gucci packaging, you can see that this is an older style box. I purchased this pre-owned from Fashion File. It's something that I've been looking for quite a while, and it finally popped up on the website and I was super excited. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. In addition to coming with the box, it also came with the dust bag as well as the information card, and I picked up a messenger bag. So this handbag was created around 2017, 2018 when Alessandro Michele was the creative director of Gucci. It's actually from the men's line. So I don't discriminate. If there's something that I like and it's from the men's line, I'll buy it. I don't just strictly stick to the women's line because I'm a woman. So I just think this is so interesting and pretty. It has all these patches on the front. I love that it has this zipper pocket in the front because I can just slip my phone in there for easy access. Then it has a zipper on the top. It's very spacious. It has a zipper pocket in the back as well as a double pocket in the front there. And then on the back, it just kind of has the plain Gucci monogram. And I love that because when I don't want to be flashy on the front, I can just be subtle. It's made of coated canvas and brown leather. They call this acero leather. Because it's made of coated canvas, it'll be long wearing, easy to clean. I absolutely love all of the colorful patches on it. I think it makes it so interesting, as well as the signature red and green web shoulder strap. This was listed as excellent condition on the Fashion File website, and it is in excellent condition. And so that is quite a difference from the previous handbag that I bought in this particular style last year. I didn't have a very good experience with that handbag and I ended up returning it. It was a messenger bag, but in the Tian style or the Tian style. And so I made a video about that. I'll link it below if you're interested. But my experience with this handbag is the complete opposite. When I unboxed this, I instantly fell in love. The other handbag that I picked up this month is from Longchamp. I love me a good Longchamp handbag, and this handbag is a little bit different from what I would usually purchase, but it was a really good price, and so I just decided to get it. And it's this Longchamp Le Pliage knit bag, and I think this is actually pretty adorable. I first seen this on the Netflix show Emily in Paris. One of the episodes, she was at a farmer's market and she put like vegetables and fruit inside of it. But I think that's when this was popularized a couple years ago. And when I saw it on the show, I wasn't like blown away by it. But when I saw it on Nordstrom Rack's website, it kind of piqued my interest. So I thought I'd give it a shot. Even though it's made of knit material and it has these holes in it, I think you just have to be careful of what you put inside. I got it from Nordstrom Rack. It's this tie-dye version, and they had other colors. I think this one's sold out now, but they had like pink and red and one other color. If you're interested, I'll link it below. But I just think this is just so different. I've seen people put like a scarf inside and tie the ends of the scarf on either end, and I think that makes it a little more user friendly because your things won't stick out of the holes. But I'm gonna actually wear this summer and give it a shot, and maybe I'll report back on how I like it. The next thing I picked up, also from Nordstrom Rack, is this little sport can't really see it. Maybe I'll put a little cutaway on the side, but it's this Zella, I think it's called like a sport utility dress. I have a black one like it, and I like the black one so much that I decided to get another color. And it zips up. It has this little detail where you can stitch it at the waist to make it a little more form-fitting, I guess, if that's what you like. But it has pockets. We love a dress with pockets. And it's very lightweight and easy. Just throw on the weekends when you're running your errands and head out the door. I picked up another dress. This one's from Old Navy. And it's this long dress in this nice army green color. I really like how it cinches in at the waist, below the breast area. It's really good quality. I know Old Navy, sometimes the quality is a little bit questionable. I just think this is a really good dress. You could even wear it to work with a blazer or a sweater, or of course on the weekends in the summer. This is a really good basic long dress to have in your collection in the summertime. I love a good two-piece set, and I picked up this next item from Amazon, and it is a top, sleeveless top with this button detail in the back, and it has matching pants. And these are long, wide leg pants. They're supposed to be cropped, but because I'm short, they're not so cropped on me. They come down to, I think, my ankle. But I just thought this was a really cute two-piece set. The shirt is a little bit cropped, but not so much as it's like revealing my stomach area. And it's made of a linen rayon blend, which I think is really good for an Amazon outfit. So looking forward to wearing that. I think it'll be very nice and cool in the summer because of the linen blend. And yeah, I really like this sage green color. I picked up a few pairs of work shoes because I've been going into the office a little bit more. I primarily work from home, so I don't have a lot of work clothes. I also attended a work conference last week, and I needed some comfortable business casual work shoes because I knew I was going to be walking all over the convention center. So this first pair are my absolute favorite. They're these Dolce Vita Mary Janes. They were perfect for the outfits that I picked out for my conference. They're so comfortable. They have this padded insole. I walked around in these for 8 to 10 hours. So cute, so adorable for summer because of this like straw weave on them. Absolutely beautiful. The next pair I picked up from Amazon, and they are these penny loafers by Dream Paris. I love these. Once again, they have this cushion insole, and I walked around on them for hours. I love that they're not your typical loafers because it has this black and white um, detail on them, and I got so many compliments and so many people asking me where I picked these up. These were another comfortable pair of loafers. These are Cole Haan's, and if you're familiar with Cole Haan, you know they make really comfortable shoes. So once again, another pair of work shoes that did me right. I purchased a few beauty items this month, and the first one, I love this. This is the Mont Blanc Signature Elixir Eau de Parfum. And I first smelled this around the holiday time. Every time I go to Nordstrom, I will get samples of this. And I was like, why do I keep getting these samples? Obviously, I like it. So I went ahead and purchased a bottle. And it's actually a reasonable price in terms of the cost of perfume these days. This 3-ounce bottle was $140, and it smells so good. It's like this vanilla, red orchid, ambery type smell. Perfect for the fall and the winter time. It's also light enough to wear in the spring and the summer. So I just wear this all year round, and I think the bottle is so pretty. So this is like my new favorite scent that I've been wearing quite often. And then I picked up this Laura Mercier Tinted Blur Balm. And the reason I bought this is because I was looking for something lightweight, kind of like coverage of a CC cream or a BB cream that I can just, when I don't want a lot of makeup or a lot of heavy makeup on, I could put this on. And this is what it looks like. And it's like a cream to powder foundation. I'm wearing it now, and it kind of gives you like this blurred, like glowy effect. And I like it. The color match was pretty right on for my like summer complexion when I'm a little bit darker. This one is the 05. And I'm not totally sold on this. I think the jury's still out on this for me. Just because of the consistency, I think it's better matched for someone with normal to dry skin. I'm more of a normal to oily skin. So in the summertime, when the color match is best for me, I think when I wear this, I tend to get a bit oily. So not totally sold on this. We'll wear it a little more and see how it works out. And then I purchased another YSL blush. And as I was just like sitting here playing with it, I just love how soft the packaging is, how soft this, I don't know if it's leather, but I mean, it feels like a handbag. If you have a YSL handbag like this, then you know how soft it is. Anyway, I digress. But it is this really pretty caramel reddish color, and I thought this would look really pretty in the summertime if you want like the bronzy glow effect. I really like this. I like these blushes because they're very pigmented and you can layer them. So you can just start out with like a light application and then just build it up depending on how bright you want your blush. All right, so those are the things that I've picked up in the last few weeks. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you in my next one. Bye.